Every day, the Child and Family Services Agency, CFSA, in Washington, D.C., supports several hundred families by providing child welfare services, foster care, and investigating potential abuse and neglect cases. Each CFSA social worker handles multiple cases simultaneously, managing the unique requirements of different families and children. However, an outdated system was creating challenges for CFSA's intake, investigation, and casework processes.
On any given day, 20 CFSA workers manage over 100 calls about children and families' well-being. Our 25-year-old system caused delays in investigations. Caseworkers were bogged down with redundant administrative work. We needed a more efficient approach.
When I was a social worker, at times I multitasked at a very high level. I often had to reach out to stakeholders on the case, such as family members, teachers, nurses, doctors, group home staff, anybody who had information on the child. I would copy and paste information I needed for my cases. Client information, case history, court information, all into a single Word document, because it would take hours attempting to go back and forth to search for information I needed.
Meeting a family on one of their worst days is already stressful. Repetitive data entry and searching old records resulted in spending less time with children in need. Without a unified system, case information was often incomplete.
CFSA wanted something really tailored, a solution that can help manage their caseworkers' administrative responsibilities. So we created a platform with Microsoft Dynamics 365, Power Apps, Azure, and Microsoft AI to streamline everything they do from intake, investigation, and ongoing casework, and much more. We call this platform STAND.
STAND, or Stronger Together Against Abuse and Neglect in D.C., will transform how care is delivered to children and families, making it faster, more coordinated, and more responsive. The modern dashboards and AI agents will help social workers navigate the system easily and access all their caseloads with the click of a mouse. And they'll be able to organize their day according to time-sensitive priorities, whether there's a deadline for a report, an important home visit, or a critical alert about a child.
The work we have done will empower social workers to achieve more each day. It really feels good to know that we are helping improve people's lives.
CFSA's improved intake process for new cases is expected to take minutes instead of hours. Investigators will make quicker, better-informed decisions about whether or not to open a new case, and caseworkers will have more information at their fingertips than before, detailing every meeting and every resource provided to families and children they serve.
Now, when a child's name is entered into STAND, the system consolidates data from multiple databases, making it available to all caseworkers. This integration reduces paperwork, allowing staff to focus on urgent cases, improves collaboration, and speeds up new staff onboarding.
STAND is truly amazing. It is eliminating a lot of copy and pasting. No longer do we have to go to Word document to copy information from there. If you input the information in one place, it's going to follow you to the next. For example, if you're doing a placement summary on a case plan, that same information is needed on a court report, and it's automatically going to populate there. You do not have to copy and paste. It's there, and you can update it directly from that site.
All of that means our caseworkers can spend more time in the communities with the children and families, and they'll have more time away from their work to decompress. This new platform supports our staff, boosts morale, and improves retention rates, a win-win for all.
Recent AI developments are really shifting the market towards more autonomous and AI-enabled business processes. Partnering with CFSA, we've introduced a solution to support those working to protect the lives and the livelihood of our nation's most vulnerable children. Each new improvement in AI and security and modernization positively affects children by providing social workers with the essential support and the tools that they need. We're committed to ongoing innovation in this journey with CFSA.